Hello children and welcome for another lesson in maths. Today we will learn simple addition sums of 3 and 4 digit numbers. We will also learn how to arrange them horizontally and vertically to get the answers. When we use words like in all, sum, increase or increased by, total, more than, add, plus or altogether. When we come across these words, that means we have to do addition. We all know that 10 plus 5 gives us 15. Now today we will go a step further and learn how to add 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers looking at the objects given to us or by just looking at the figures given to us. Let us observe the examples based on the pictures. We will first add the units to the units, tens to the tens and hundreds to the hundreds. We shall arrange them in a vertical manner, that is standing. So the first picture is 3 hundreds, 4 tens and 6 units plus 4 hundreds, 2 tens and 3 units. Look at the next picture, that is the last one. In the addition table, we have 346 plus 423. We begin with the units place. We have 6 units plus 3 units, which gives us 9 units. 4 tens plus 2 tens, which gives us 6 tens. 3 hundreds plus 4 hundreds give us 7 hundreds. So the answer that we get by adding 346 plus 423 is 769. Look at the next picture. We have 1,200, 1 tens and 5 units plus 3,100, 2 tens and 1 units. Look at the third picture. When we add 1,215 plus 3,121, we begin adding the units first. So 5 units plus 1 units gives us 6 units. 1 ten plus 2 tens gives us 3 tens. 2 hundreds plus 100 gives us 3 hundreds. And 1,000 plus 3 thousands give us 4 thousands. So 1,215 plus 3,121 gives us 4,336. We shall now arrange the numbers horizontally and add them. Horizontal means in a sleeping way. So let's remember the sleeping line when we are going to add horizontally. We will add the units first, followed by the tens and then the hundreds. So we have the number 527 plus 261. So let's begin by adding the units together. We have 7 units plus 1 unit. 7 plus 1 gives us 8 units. In the tens place, we have 2 tens and 6 tens. When we add 2 plus 6, it gives us 8 tens. And then in the hundreds place, we have 500 and 200s. When we add 5 plus 2, we get 700s. So when we add the number 527 plus 261, we get the answer 788. Let us arrange horizontally the numbers 2460 plus 3408. Let us club the numbers in the units place first, and we have 0 units plus 8 units, which gives us 8 units. Then in the tens place we have 6 tens and 0 tens. 6 plus 0 gives us 6. In the hundreds place, if we look carefully, both the numbers are having 4 in the hundreds place. So 4 plus 4 gives us 8. And in the thousands place, we have 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 gives us 5. The answer that we get by adding 2460 plus 3408 is 5868. Here's an important tip, children, that whenever the order of the number is changed, the answer that we get yet remains the same. For example, 125 plus 144 gives us 269. Now, when we interchange or when we change the order of the numbers, we put 144 first plus 125, we will still get the same answer, that is 269. So remember, when the numbers are the same and we change their order, the answer will always be the same. I have some practice sums for you now. Let us see solving the sums horizontally as well as vertically. So we begin. We have 561 plus 330. Let's add the units first. 1 plus 0, that gives us 1. 6 plus 3 tenths gives us 9 tenths. 5 plus 3 hundredths gives us 800. So our answer is 891. Similarly, the horizontal arrangement will be in a sleeping line. So 561 plus 330, you add the units together. 1 plus 0 gives you 1. The tens together, 6 plus 3 gives you 9. And then the hundreds together, 5 plus 3 gives you 8. This is how 561 plus 330, when we work out the both ways, we get our answer as 891. This sum is something different. If you notice, there are 3 sets of numbers which you have to add. That is 453 plus 104 plus 112. So let's arrange them vertically. We have 3, 4 and 2 in the units place. So 3 plus 4 gives you 7. 7 plus 2 will give you 9. So 3 plus 4 plus 2 in the units place gives you 9 units. In the tens place, we have 5, 0 and 1. So 5 plus 0 gives you 5. 5 plus 1 will give you 6. So we have 5 plus 0 plus 1, that is 6 tenths. In the hundreds place, we have 4, 1, 1. So 4 plus 1 gives you 5. 5 plus 1 gives you 6. So when you add 453 plus 104 plus 112, your answer is 669. Similarly, when you arrange them in the horizontal manner, children, remember to add all the three numbers from the units place. Then you add the numbers in the tens place, and then you take all the numbers from the hundreds place. And when you count and add them up together, you will get your answer. Let's try a bigger number now. 1000 plus 2347 plus 5611. This is the vertical arrangement of these numbers. We have 0 plus 7 plus 1 in the units place. 0 plus 7 gives us 7. 7 plus 1 gives us 8. Moving to the tens column, we see we have 0 plus 4 plus 1, which adds up to 5. In the hundreds place, we have 0 plus 3 plus 6, which adds up to 9. And in the thousands place, we have 1 plus 2 plus 5. Yes, the answer is 8. So when we add 1000 plus 2347 plus 5611, the answer that we get is 8958. Now children, even when you do the horizontal arrangement, remember, take all the numbers from the units together, add them up. Take the numbers from the tens, add them up. Take the numbers from the hundreds place, add them up. And then finally the numbers from the thousands place. This is how you will practice your vertical and horizontal arrangement of numbers and add them. Finally, here are some practice sums for you. Solve them neatly and correctly in your notebook. The first set of numbers you have to arrange vertically, and the next set of numbers you have to arrange horizontally. So, enjoy yourself and have a great time. Thank you.